AD20 door drive. First check input voltage coming 230. This is the door drive button description. This is the input output terminal connection terminal layout. This is the control circuit terminal layout. Inputs and outputs command feedbacks. This is the wiring diagram. This is the parameter setting. This is the BST glory model. This is the motor nameplate. This is the motor nameplate details. Switch on the door drive. For menu, long press the menu button. Parameters F0 group will be open. We have to go to F1, F100. Motor type 0 is the for induction motor, 1 is the for PM motor. F101 motor power. Motor power is the 47 watts. Here also you have to set 47 watts. F102 motor voltage. Motor voltage is 90 volts. Here also 90 volts. Motor current 0.5 amps. 0.5 amps. F104 motor frequency 33.3 hertz. 33.0 hertz. F105 motor speed 250 rpm. Rated speed 250 rpm. Encoder pulse 1024. This is PMS motor. We have 1024 encoder pulse. F29 encoder pulse. When we move the door, pulse will change. For encoding direction, FA32. Yes. When we manual open the door, door drive shows open. When we manually close, door drive shows close. Put the door in between. Come back. Long press the shift plus tune button. Tune 1 will show. Motor tuning will start. After some time, tune 2 will start.
వినయ్ మదర్ బోర్డ్ ఇచ్చారు కదా అది ఐసి మార్చే ఐసి మార్చినంత అదే పేమెంట్ పేమెంట్ అవ్వకపోతే
After tuning complete, For manual open, set F002 to door is now fully open condition. We have to close. This is shows open, but door is closed. For direction reverse, set F005. Here is 1. Set 0. If earlier 0, change to 1. Go back and press shift plus open. Now when we pressing the open button, door also open. This is the manual mode. For demo mode, set F002 3 and press shift plus open button. Left wheel door will automatically open and close continuously. After work complete, set F002 1 for normal mode.